Okay, I just got done cleaning the carb off here. Got most of the muck off. Soaking overnight did a lot for it. So I cleaned a lot of that muck off. And that thing's a small venturi. So still left a lot of dirt and crap. So at least all the gummy muck is not there anymore. Still pretty rusty and other issues. So before I go blasting this stuff with a bead blaster and clean it more, I want to go ahead and make sure these passages are cleaned out in here before I get too deeply involved here. Just that way, if you get it cleaned up inside, the beads can get down a little bit deeper and clean more. So I got little drills and stuff here. Alright, what else is in there? That's all that matters to me. So, these drills here are made to go down through the passages and clean them out. So, sticking them down in here. If you're lucky, no muck comes up. No muck came up. Good, that one's open now. Of course, I already blew the piss out of it. Just making sure everything's clear. Now this one here is the one that goes down inside of here. And you want to go down so far. Make sure that one's clear. See, that one's not going there that much because bottom's out. Once again, you don't want to see any muck on there. This one's clear. And this one here, go down this one now. I can feel a muck in a hole there a little bit, but so this one you want to go down until you get down to your line there. This one's mucky. There, now it's all the way down. That one had a lot of restriction in the line. The hole was kind of open, but the drill size was not there. It's a little tight up in here too. Okay, now it goes in there good. Check that one also. Here's to be open. It's actually supposed to be that one. Okay, so now everything's kind of opened up again. I'll go over here and blow on it again. Blow it out with a blowing nozzle. This one's made to go down inside the passage and blow in there deep. Alright, I don't see anything in there heavy. Nothing that blew out anyway. But obviously the one was a little bit stuffed up going down this direction here. So that's more free now. That's where this needle went in there. You can see that's all gummy in this too, so this stuff got to be cleaned up. So you got to hit it with a scrub pad, and you can see all the goo right here. That's what I had to drill through, was all that goo. This thing was completely gooed up in there. So now it goes in there all the way down now. Not a problem. So that was partially plugged, not 100%, but it was being plugged up a little bit makes it not carburate very well. Starts doing goofy junk you don't want happening. Alright, now I can go ahead and blouse this thing and get it cleaned up really nice and better. Now the other one we got to deal with is our spray nozzle. That'd be this one here. So the inner hole gets screwed up, plugged up, and then all these little small holes here get plugged up. And even if they're not plugged solid, they get closed up and be sticking to the outside surface. And it makes it not work very well. I don't know what size drill I need, so I just go there until I find one that fits. And obviously that's close to the one that goes in there. See all the junk right there? That was a clean drill when I started, so that's all the stuff that came off the outside edge. Clean the drill off. Okay, the hole through here is different on this side. Drop down one drill bit. Just go down until you find the right one that goes through. There we go. That one went pretty easy. So I'm pushing like this side to side to get everything cleaned off to come off. Go to the next side, bigger again. Okay, now that one's going in the hole now. It's not going all the way through, it's pinched right down there in the middle. I'm going to hold it in the vise over here with the drill bit. Like this. See the stuff coming off the drill there a little bit? Okay, now that's well blown through, ran through, whatever you want to call it. It's got a hole through it now. I don't know if you can see it. It's got a hole in it. It's not the same size all the way through, but that'd be the next size bigger. Let's see, that's not the size the tube is. That's the side the back side was. Right there is where it changed. Where that spot is there. Okay, now we go figure out what size these are and drill them out. So we'll go down to the smallest hole. Number 40 drill. Not sure how big that is, but let's find out. It's big enough, it went in the hole. It's loose now. Get over and see. Just cleaning those out. Come on. Small little hole don't want to go in there. Okay, what do we got here? That is it's a 40 thou hole. It's a number 60 drill. Okay. So I'll get a little bit bigger on that. We'll be back.